You have probably noticed the rise in AI historical short videos. There is a lot of videos explaining how you can create them. But in today's video, I am going to show you a new way to create these viral historical videos. I have researched a new way and a new sub-niche in the AI historical niche. So make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below if this video was helpful. This niche helped creators make thousands of dollars with YouTube Shorts. First, we need a script. For this, go over to ChatGPT. We are going to create a video about the Vietnam War. Ask ChatGPT to write you a YouTube short script that is around 30 seconds long. I want the story to be about the Vietnam War. Make it engaging and use easy-to-understand English words. Now, ChatGPT will generate you an engaging script for your video. But if you are not satisfied with the results, you can regenerate the script by pressing this button. Next, we can actually ask ChatGPT to give us prompts to generate images. Simply ask ChatGPT to give you a list of prompts for the script above you can use to generate high-quality images using Leonardo.ai. You want the feel of the images to be dark and have fire in them. Now, ChatGPT will give you prompts you can use to generate high-quality images using Leonardo.ai. Now we want to go over to Leonardo.ai. This is the tool we will use to generate high-quality images. Leonardo.ai will give you 150 free credits each day, which is more than enough for the types of videos we are creating. So create your free account and you will be redirected to this page. Now, as you can see, there is a lot of things this tool can be used for. Just click on Image Generator and you will land on this page. Now, I have generated a lot of images with this tool, and I found out that Leonardo Diffusion XL generates the best quality images. Now just set the total of images to 4, and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16 because we are creating YouTube Shorts. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt. Simply just paste the prompt here. Now click Generate. Now just wait a few seconds and let Leonardo do its magic. Wow. Just look at these images. If you are not satisfied with the results, just click Generate a couple more times until you are satisfied. Go back to ChatGPT again and copy the second prompt. Now we want to go over to Image Guidance. Just upload the image you just created here. This will help Leonardo to generate images with the same style. Now do this for the rest of the prompts. Now we need a voiceover. For this, we are going to use 11 Labs. So open 11labs.io and you will be redirected to this. Now you can choose a voice by going to this drop-down menu, or you can go over to the voice library. Here you will find more voices you can use. Just browse through these voices and select one that suits you. Now paste your script here and click Generate. Okay, so we want to stand out, right? So we are going to animate our images. Don't worry, you don't have to be an expert animator or anything like that. We are simply going to go back to Leonardo.ai and we are going to click on Motion. You will be redirected to this page. You can literally animate your images with a few clicks. You just upload the image you want to animate and set the motion to around 5. And just click Generate. It's really that simple. Look at what we created. This is why these image generators is so powerful. Now we want to go over to CapCut. This is a free video editor for beginners and it is amazing. Add the videos you created using Leonardo.ai. Now import your voiceover. Just make sure that the videos and the voiceover follows along with each other. Now we want to add captions. Don't worry, you don't have to type the captions manually. Simply click on text and then auto captions. You will now be able to select any of these templates. I am going to choose the pop-up template as it makes the video more engaging and click Generate. Now just wait a few seconds and boom. We can now play around with the font of the captions. CapCut gives you access to a ton of amazing fonts you can use. We can also play around with the styles of the font. If I can give you a tip, make sure your captions stand out. Now just resize the captions and drag them to the middle of the video. And now you are done.
We're so happy you stuck around till the end of the video. Your support really means a lot to us. Thank you for spending your time with us and being a part of our community. We can't wait to see you in the next one.